Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today's episode is all about agricultural machines. From GPS-guided tractors to automated harvesters, these tools are shaping the future of farming. Nicknamed Balehawk, this conceptual autonomous bale mover is designed to transport bales from where they're dropped in the field to the field's edge or a designated storage area. After the operator sets its working zone, the robot uses a combination of sensors, including a Velodyne LiDAR, a SICK LiDAR, and a central visual camera to detect and locate bales for pickup and transport. Marcrest Swing Max is a smart, time-saving solution for hay baling. It allows farmers to double their bale output while using one less person and tractor, significantly cutting labor and equipment costs. With its user-friendly design and strong performance, it's a visual tool for any farmer aiming to streamline operations and boost efficiency. Arcusin AutoStack FSX is a top-performing automatic bale loader, recognized as a global leader in bale handling. Built for high-speed operation, it features advanced monitoring systems and safety sensors to ensure smooth, efficient, and safe performance. With intuitive controls and a user-friendly interface, it's easy to operate and can be customized to suit different work requirements. Vermeer has introduced a self-propelled round baler designed for comfort and efficiency. The cab sits above the suspended front axle, ensuring a smoother ride, while zero-radius turning, borrowed from lawnmower technology, enhances maneuverability. The operator has a clear view of the swath, with the pickup mounted monitored via a camera for precise control. New Kuhn SW Bale Wrapper is a modern machine built for efficiently wrapping round bales. It includes an advanced control system and an easy-to-use interface, allowing operators to adjust wrapping settings with ease. A strong wrapping arm and stretch film dispenser ensure each bale is tightly sealed, protecting it from weather, moisture, and other external elements. Agribot E-Series is a next-generation robot strawberry harvester built for autonomous operation in farm rows. Using advanced computer vision, it identifies ripe strawberries and gently picks them without harming the fruit or plant. This technology provides a cost-effective alternative to manual harvesting, helping farmers save time and cut labor costs. Here's an experimental combine harvester designed for blueberry harvesting, featuring soft catching plates to minimize bruising. Mechanical harvesting like this can save a lot of time, labor, and resources. But there's a catch: the risk of berry damage during the process. Whether this machine makes it to mass production will likely depend on how well it balances speed with fruit quality. Time will tell. Modern fruit harvesting tech has come a long way, giving farmers faster and more efficient tools for picking fruit. One widely used solution is fruit harvesting machines, built to collect fruit quickly and carefully, without harming the trees or bruising the produce. French startup Videbo has developed the Bacchus robot for vineyard work. This all-electric versatile machine handles tasks like weeding, spraying, and vine treatment. With no cab, it has a lower center of gravity, making it stable on steep slopes. Its compact, lightweight design reduces energy use and minimizes soil compaction. More functions are expected to be added in the future. Fendt Xaver is a robotic sowing system designed for precise planning, control, and documentation of corn planting. It uses small robotic units supported by cloud technology and satellite navigation to ensure accuracy and efficiency. The cloud-based data management system provides real-time access and enables 24/7 operation with full tracking and control of the sowing process. Canadian company DOT Technology has created an autonomous agricultural platform that integrates equipment directly into its body instead of attaching it to the front or rear. This design cuts fuel, labor, and equipment costs by over 20% and also reduces carbon dioxide emissions by the same amount. The John Deere 2154 D-Limmer Tier 4 is a forestry machine designed for high efficiency while maintaining environmental responsibility. Meeting stricter Tier 4 emission standards, it offers a powerful yet eco-friendly solution for processing wood. This D-Limmer can quickly strip branches from logs, preparing them for transport or further processing with minimal environmental impact. Combining strength, efficiency, and reduced emissions, the John Deere 2154 ensures sustainable forestry operations without compromising on performance. Moti Pumpkin Harvesting Machine is a specialized tool built for commercial pumpkin harvesting. It automates the process by driving over the plants and using rotating blades to cut the stems, separating the pumpkins from the vines. The pumpkins then drop onto a conveyor belt or collection system and are transported to a storage or processing area, making the harvest fast and efficient. Toro Groundmaster is a line of commercial-grade tractor mowers built for tough mowing conditions and large areas. These machines feature heavy-duty cutting decks and powerful engines for efficient performance. Designed with durability and operator comfort in mind, all models come standard with safety features like rollover protection and seat belts. Digging soil with a tractor is a standard agricultural practice used for planting, plowing, harvesting, and landscaping. The tractor is fitted with attachments like a plow, cultivator, or harrow, depending on the task. These tools are powered by the tractor's hydraulic system, which allows operators to control the depth and angle of the blade for precise soil work. Mechanized harvesting is a game-changer for large farms, helping farmers save time and labor. While some still rely on handheld tools, others invest in large-scale harvesters that can collect much more coffee at once. These machines use rotating and vibrating rods to shake berries loose, which then fall into an attached hopper. They're highly efficient, but best suited for flat terrain where the equipment can operate smoothly. What vegetable grower wouldn't want a way to manage weeds without chemicals? With Farm Droid, that's now a reality. Created by two Danish brothers, this robot not only handles weeding, it also plants seeds and runs entirely on solar power. That means no fuel costs and no need for pesticides. The Ventor 4150 is the first 4-row self-propelled potato harvester built on the SE principle, screening, lifting, and separating tops. One of its key strengths is the advanced cleaning system that removes debris and ensures clean potatoes before collection. It also has a powerful lifting mechanism for handling heavy loads and a gentle conveyor system that protects the crop from damage during harvest. Specialized grape harvester by New Holland Broad is built for efficient and gentle grape harvesting across various vineyard terrains. It's capable of handling different grape varieties thanks to an adjustable shaking system that lets operators fine-tune the frequency to match specific conditions. This customization helps minimize grape damage and loss during harvest. Degelman Rock King is a heavy-duty rock picker built for efficient field clearing. Designed for farmers and contractors, it helps save time and boosts productivity. It features a large, high-capacity hopper for collecting rocks and a hydraulically driven reel that rotates to gather them quickly and effectively. Toll Incorporated Cross Hedger is a high-speed, efficient tree trimming machine built for orchards, vineyards, and similar agricultural settings. It features powerful, precision blades that deliver clean, accurate cuts on trees of different sizes and shapes. Its standout cross-hedging design allows it to trim both sides of a tree simultaneously, boosting productivity and consistency. The self-propelled Mulcher LV600 is a versatile machine built for land clearing and vegetation management across different terrains. With a powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, it easily handles dense brush, trees, and stumps, making it ideal for heavy-duty clearing tasks. The Stevia Mower Harvester with a bunker is a specialized machine designed for efficiently harvesting stevia plants. It uses sharp blades to cut the plants at the base and a conveyor belt system to move the harvested material into a storage bunker. The setup streamlines the collection process, making it faster and more efficient for processing stevia, a natural sweetener derived from the plant's leaves. Van den Ende has improved the efficiency of the John Deere 6830 tractor by adding innovative anti-slip wheels. These additional wheels, placed near the rear, prevent the tractor from slipping when operating with an 8-body plow. This enhancement ensures better tractor control and precision during plowing, allowing lighter tractors to handle more demanding tasks without additional strain. The result is a more effective, easier, and controlled plowing process, boosting both productivity and accuracy in the field. Interlink Citrus's Power Prop Sprayer is a high-performance agricultural tool designed for intensive treatment of large citrus groves. With 8 28-inch diameter sprayers, it ensures fast and efficient coverage, delivering protective and nutritional substances evenly to each tree. The sprayer is engineered for maximum productivity, while minimizing resource use, making it ideal for sustainable farming. This powerful unit optimizes farm operations by reducing processing time and boosting crop care effectiveness. Introducing the Schlieffix Liquid Manure Spreader by Brunner Special Werkstatt, a game changer in modern farming. Built with precision in Schwarzebach, this advanced machine turns liquid manure applications into a smooth, eco-friendly process. Its cutting-edge design ensures efficient and uniform distribution across fields while adhering to the highest environmental standards. Like a Swiss knife for agricultural tasks, the Schlieffix simplifies and perfects this vital farming operation, allowing for neater, cleaner, and highly effective fertilization. With this technology, you can forget outdated methods and embrace a more advanced, eco-conscious approach. Introducing the new Kuhn Prolander cultivator, boasting an impressive 46-foot working width. This massive agricultural machine is designed to maximize efficiency and soil quality, making field preparation faster and more effective than ever. Equipped with advanced tines and a hydraulic system, the Prolander ensures consistent and deep soil processing, transforming the task of tilling into a smooth, high-quality experience. This powerful tool turns hard work into an effortless process, making it an ideal choice for large-scale farming operations. In today's digital farming era, growers worldwide are turning to advanced technology to boost efficiency. One example is the automated plant transplanting system shown here. It uses a specialized conveyor belt to ensure even spacing across the field, improving planting speed and increasing crop yield. It's a smart, effective solution for modern agriculture. Guys, this one's a total game changer, especially if you've got cows. Meet the Lely Discovery 120, a revolutionary robot built to clean manure from solid barn floors. Unlike traditional scrapers that just push waste around, this robot sucks it in, leaving no buildup where your animals stand. Cleaner floors mean better hygiene, less hoof trouble, and overall healthier cows. Trust us, you'll want this one on your farm. Swagbot is a robotic shepherd built for monitoring and managing livestock. This electric ground vehicle handles rough terrain with ease, navigating around natural obstacles like trees and rocks. It's especially valuable in remote or hazardous grazing areas where it reduces risks for farmers. Swagbot can also assess animal health using temperature and movement sensors, making it a smart tool for modern livestock management. The Arbus 4000 is a self-contained sprayer built for precision. Using laser scanning technology, it accurately measures plant size and shape to ensure the most effective application. This data allows the system to analyze the environment in real time and apply sprays only where needed, improving efficiency and reducing waste. Struick Variex 4500 is a high-performance cultivator designed for field preparation and soil improvement. It features 6 adjustable cultivator tines to match different field and crop requirements. Equipped with Diabolo rollers, it delivers efficient soil compaction, making it a reliable tool for professional farming. Sweer's Floretting Machine is an advanced agricultural tool designed for in-field cauliflower processing. It automates the task of breaking down cauliflower heads into individual florets, significantly boosting speed and efficiency for farmers and processors. Equipped with sensors and cameras, the machine scans each head as it enters, ensuring precise and consistent results. Introducing the HSU 3000-4000 VI Ultra Air Blast Sprayer, an ideal agricultural tool for precision spraying. This sprayer utilizes an advanced air blast system to ensure even liquid distribution over large areas. With a tank capacity of up to 1,000 gallons, it reduces the need for frequent refueling, making the spraying process more efficient and less labor-intensive. Perfect for covering extensive territories, this sprayer increases productivity while maintaining high-quality application results, saving both time and resources. Introducing the Vermeer RTX 1250, a cutting-edge tractor designed to enhance your installation operations with ease and efficiency. This versatile trencher features a range of smart attachments, making it perfect for all your cable and utility installation needs. Whether dealing with challenging terrain, the RTX 1250 offers superior mobility with its powerful tracks or tires. Experience the satisfaction of completing jobs efficiently with this innovative machine tailored to meet your needs. The Flegel Duo, equipped with a front loader, is a highly efficient pruning saw that cuts wood and branches effortlessly on site. Its two parallel cutting discs slice through vegetation swiftly and with precision, adhering to exact parameters. The loader positions the trunk for cutting, and the saw blades grip from both sides, delivering a clean and controlled cut without unnecessary movement. This efficient design ensures fast and smooth operations, making it ideal for forestry and agricultural tasks where precision and speed are crucial. The Prinoth Raptor 100 self-propelled mulcher with remote control is a highly efficient machine. Ideal for various applications. Paired with the hydraulic mulcher cutter M450H, it effectively crushes small thickets and branches in hard-to-reach areas and difficult terrain. This mulcher excels in forestry, park and public garden maintenance, and clearing roadsides and steep slopes with angles up to 45 degrees. According to its developers, the robot shown here will be equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence for vineyard management. It's designed to gather data on plant growth, soil moisture, crop yield, and berry composition. While capable of handling demand field tasks, the robot isn't meant to replace human workers. Instead, its main purpose is to support them and help improve competitiveness in the market. Converse Canal and Pond Clearing Boat is designed to effectively clear waterways of overgrowth and vegetation. Its advanced cutting system allows for precise mowing along water edges and on slopes that are usually inaccessible to conventional equipment. The powerful hydraulic drive ensures a stable and efficient performance, making the process of maintaining clear and navigable waterways highly effective. Modern hedge trimming machines are efficient and dependable tools built for fast, easy trimming of hedges and shrubs. They come in various sizes and styles to match different plant types and are powered by electricity, gas, or rechargeable batteries, offering flexibility for a range of landscaping needs. Let's talk about the automatic cow brush Happy Cow Duo. Honestly, the name alone is enough to bring a smile. But behind it is some seriously smart tech. This dual brush system lets cows groom themselves freely and comfortably. By massaging the skin, it boosts blood circulation and metabolism, which in turn supports higher milk yield and helps stimulate the reproductive cycle. It's all about comfort, health, and productivity. Happy cows, indeed. What's better for a farmer than automating the toughest jobs? With the Spartan Industrial Apple Harvester, there's no need to manually pick up fallen apples anymore. This machine takes over the hard work, making fruit harvesting faster, easier, and far more efficient. A true game changer in the orchard. The massive Lofness grain bagger stands out with its ability to load a 1,000-bushel trailer in just about 7 minutes, clearly ahead of the competition. But it's not just about speed. This machine delivers on durability, reliability, and overall performance. Its top qualities: smooth transport between sites, fast setup, user-friendly operation, and low-maintenance design. It's easy to see why Lofness is a trusted leader in grain packaging equipment. The entire Titan equipment lineup stands out across the board. These machines are built with balanced proportions, offering great stability, maneuverability, clear cargo visibility, and impressive ground clearance. Their biggest strength? Precise shredding of fertilizing materials. Whether it's semi-solid manure, compost, or waste, and consistent, even field coverage. Add in high working speeds and clean, quality finishing, and it's clear why Titan earns its reputation. Drones are becoming a key tool in modern farming, giving growers a bird's-eye view of their fields. Equipped with precision spraying systems, they can apply pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers exactly where needed. This cuts down on chemical use and reduces agriculture's environmental footprint. Modern tillage cultivators have transformed farming with their precision and speed, allowing for higher yields with less manual work. Built to handle everything from hard clay to loose sand, these machines use advanced technology and can be adjusted in width and depth to match different crops and soil types. Bulk Cutter is the world's first deep-sea mineral extraction vehicle, built to recover seafloor massive sulfides in the Bismarck Sea near Papua New Guinea. It operates with power supplied through an umbilical cable connected to a support vessel. Braca T26.B double row disc ripper is built for tough terrain, handling boulders and slash with ease. Operators can choose from pre-programmed modes based on changing ground conditions. Its wide range of settings delivers strong performance across all soil types, ensuring optimal conditions for seeding and seed growth, no matter the landscape. Apollo Generation 2 Chicken Harvester is a specialized machine built for the poultry industry, designed to harvest chickens quickly and safely. It features attachments like picking fingers, head-cutting blades, and a feather-plucking system that work in sync for efficient processing. The machine can handle chickens of various sizes and weights, making it a versatile solution for modern poultry farms.
If you are thrilled by the immense power of heavy equipment and the wonders of modern engineering, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Join us as we explore technological frontiers and uncover the impressive innovations shaping our world.